Anycubic Full Metal i3 Mega 3D Printer with Ultrabase Heatbed and 3.5-inch touchscreen. Large build volume, 210x210x205mm. Plug and play with user-friendly screen. Complete the assembling with 8 screws, then start to play through a 3.5-inch touchscreen. Anycubic Ultrabase, Anycubic patented heatbed, super adhesion, smoothly lattice bottom surface. Easier to take off 3D 171 by hands, so you won't need masking tape and glue stickers anymore. Filament detection, automatic printing pause when filament runs out, resume after filament reload with just one click.